Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Expert Empire. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this gathered stitch on this fabric using the regular black head sewing machine with the normal foot, okay? I did not do this with any gathered foot, okay? I made use of my black head sewing machine and with the normal foot. So if you're interested to know how I was able to achieve these gathers, make sure you watch this video to the end. Now let's get started. To do this with me here, I already have my bobbin with my matching thread and the bobbin case, okay? So I'll just put it in like so, just the normal way you fix it into the bobbin case, and then I'll pass it through like so. Just watch what I'm doing. So after that, this is where the trick is. So I'll pass my thread on top like so, and then I'll pick the edge, okay? I'll pick my thread like so and then pass it in through this hole. I'll just lift it up like this, and while doing this, make sure you use one of your fingers to hold the thread in place so that it does not pull off. Then I'll just draw it out like this. You see what I did? Just watch closely. It's not passing under this pointed part. It's passing through the upper part. You can see the thread. So that is just all. That's the trick to achieve gathered stitches using the regular foot. As you can see my machine, this is the regular foot that I'm using. So I'll just go ahead and open this part, okay? Open this disc, and then I'll fix the bobbin and the bobbin case into the space. All right, you can see I fixed it in. Then what I'll do next is to bring out the thread. All right, make sure the thread is long, make sure it is long enough. Right after that, I'll just pass it under the foot like so, and then I'll place the fabric on it. So I'm making use of a shiny face satin for this tutorial. You can use any fabric of your choice. So now what we'll do next is to bring down this control to the last. You can see what I did. So bring it down to the very last point there and then start stitching. So now we are going to start stitching, and you see the effect on the fabric. Just watch. You can see this. It's so beautiful and so easy, effortless. Okay, just keep stitching. You can see what I'm doing. Just keep stitching, and if you keep gathering the fabric the way you want it, okay? One good thing about this hack is that it's very fast and the stitches are even. Also, it's very full. It gives you that full gathered effect, okay? So you can see I'm done stitching, and this is what I have. So I just made use of this little piece of fabric to show us how it will come out. So you can go ahead and try it out on your project and let me know the finished look or how it turned out for you. All right, I so love this. You can see what I have here is so beautiful, and you can go ahead and adjust it the way you want. Okay, you can see how full the gathers is looking. You can make use of this for your ball dresses and bridals, okay, your kiddies wears. If you always find it difficult to make gathers, you can make use of this method. It is very easy, very easy, loves. Very easy and reliable, okay? You will not have any issue with your thread cutting off or you having to start all over again. There's no stress in this, guys. Very easy to make, okay? And the outcome is very beautiful, as you can see. So with this, I've come to the end of this tutorial, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a massive thumbs up. Make sure you click on the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, thanks a bunch, guys. I appreciate your efforts. God bless you. And if you're coming across this channel for the very first time, you're most welcome. Please subscribe. Thank you. Make sure you share this video with your fellow soulmates, family, and friends. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this gather stitch hack in your next project. I'll see you in my next one. Have a nice day. Bye.